Hey, good afternoon. Great to see you again, Mike at Charles Mill Marina. What you see behind me here is Starcraft's SLS-3, which is a premium tri-tune model that we're going to pair with Yamaha's 200 horsepower. First thing that really pops to me is how much time and detail Starcraft puts into this front gating. It looks sleek, it looks sharp, and we just know that this thing's going to scoot around the water at a high rate of speed and give you guys a great ride. With every Starcraft tri-tune, we do have the heavy hat connectors down here, as well as aluminum underskin that keeps the water off the bottom of your decks. We also have the third tube, like I said, for the tri-tune package. It helps you get around the lake in a stable, safe, but fast way. So why don't we come on aboard and take a look at everything that this boat has to offer. So, as you can see, it does have Starcraft's patented diamond weave vinyl here on the seats. It's comfortable, won't burn your back, and just looks really, really, really nice. We also have some in-floor storage here that's in the tube. It's so big that you can fit your skis, your tube, all your ropes, any of that stuff you need in there for down the lake, right in there. So it does take a lot of space there for you, and it doesn't clutter your boat at the same time. As we come here to the helm, the most important part, captain's comfort. So we do have a high back captain seat and a high back co-captain seat for his first mate. These seats do move forward and backwards, and they do also recline, so we can be comfortable out here when we're driving around the lake. As you can see, we do have some lit cup holders as well as the blue courtesy lights. Again, this boat's going to look sharp when you're out after dark and in the day. So we go a little further back. So as you see, Starcraft's table, comfortable couple places for your drinks. As you open up the back door, you do see the ski tow pylon, which is quick, easy to remove, doesn't get in your way, and doesn't clutter up the back of your boat. One of the coolest things about the back of this boat that you'll find is there are two speakers off the back of this. And you might not think this is exciting, but if you're going to be out tubing and skiing, to be able to give your skiers, tubers, the option of some music out there when they're back there, it just really enhances the experience. And like every tri-tune we have, it does come with the hydraulic steering to make these things easy to steer when you're on the lake, even at a high rate of speed like you're going to be going. All Starcrafts come with a 6-year factory warranty, lifetime limited warranty on the tubes and the wood underneath. The Yamaha motor that's going to come on the back of this does have a 3-year warranty. We think they make the best product in the market. If you want to give us a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com, we can definitely set you up with this boat. We'll see you soon.